Hello and welcome to Taken Gadgets Explorer. Today we are going to be talking about the best magnifying lamps on the market. If you are like me, you probably spend a lot of time working with small details. Whether you are crafting, repairing electronics, or just trying to read small prints, a good magnifying lamp can be a lifesaver. That's why I have put together this list of the best magnifying lamps on the market. These lamps are powerful, versatile, and affordable. So if you are looking for a magnifying lamp that can help you see small details more clearly, then you have come to the right place. Level up your crafting games with the Qsky magnifying lamp. This powerful tool is a must-have for anyone who wants to see their work in breathtaking details. With its 10x magnification lens, no tiny element or delicate sketch will go unnoticed. Say goodbye to eye strain and hello to precision. Designed with versatility in mind, the magnifying lamp features adjustable color modes and a stateless dimmer. Customize the lighting to suit your needs, whether you prefer bright cool white, warm cozy yellow, or a natural balanced glow. The lamp's adjustable head and base ensures the perfect angle for any project. Crafted to withstand the demands of your creative endeavors, the lamp boasts exceptional durability. Its sturdy construction guarantees stability and longevity, making it a reliable companion for countless projects to come. Don't let your vision limitations hold you back from creating masterpieces. Get your hands on the Qsky magnifying lamp today and see the difference for yourself. Upgrade your vision and tackle integrate tasks effortlessly with the TOMSOO magnifying lamp. Designed to provide a helping hand for those seeking greater clarity, this remarkable tool features a powerful 5x magnification lens and an adjustable gooseneck. From reading small print to engaging in detailed crafts and repairs, this lamp is your ultimate companion. Versatility is key, as the magnifying lamp seamlessly adapts to your needs. Whether you prefer it as a desk lamp, a floor lamp, or a clamp-on lamp, it effortlessly transforms to suit your workspace. Powered by USB, it offers the freedom to illuminate any environment from your home to on-the-go adventures. Experience the joy of enhanced vision and precision without breaking the bank. The TOMSOO magnifying lamp delivers exceptional value with its affordable price, illuminating the world and unlock the potential of fine details. Elevate your work with the CUMKA magnifying lamp. Unleash astonishing precision. Experience a new level of clarity and precision with the lamp. Its remarkable 8x magnification lens brings even the tiniest details into focus, revolutionizing your work. Bid farewell to eye strain and welcome an immersive experience like never before. Illuminate your workspace with the lamp's ring light, providing brilliant and even lighting. Say goodbye to shadows and uneven illumination, creating the perfect environment to bring your creative vision to life. Designed with utmost comfort in mind, the magnifying lamp offers unparalleled adjustability. Position it precisely to your desired angle and height with its flexible lamp head and base. Discover the sweet spot for your work, optimizing visibility and ensuring ergonomic support. Upgrade your work experience and immerse yourself in a world of astonishing details. Order your CUMKA magnifying lamp today and unleash the transformative power it brings to your projects. Introducing the KIRKAS magnifying lamp, your ultimate partner for a crystal clear view of the world. With its powerful 5x magnification lens and flexible gooseneck, this extraordinary tool breathes life into many details. Versatility is its second nature. Whether you prefer it as a desk lamp, floor lamp, or handy clamp-on companion, the lamp effortlessly adapts to your preferences. And with its USB-powered functionality, it becomes your portable source of illumination, lighting up your car rides and accompanying you on every adventure. Don't let this extraordinary opportunity slip through your fingers. Order your KIRKAS magnifying lamp now and embark on an exhilarating journey of clarity and precision, illuminating your world and uncover the hidden wonders that await. Introducing another product of KIRKAS, the ADDIE KIRKAS magnifying lamp, your go-to tool for precise detail work. With its powerful 2200 lumens LED light and adjustable 5x or 10x magnification, this lamp revolutionizes your tasks. Unleash the possibilities as you effortlessly read small prints, reveal intricate details in your crafts, achieve precision when repairing small electronics, and inspect jewelry or coins with crystal clarity. Experience seamless usability with its intuitive design. Clamp it securely, customize the magnification and lighting, and dive into your tasks with ease. Its lightweight and portable nature ensures enhanced visibility wherever your creativity takes you. Don't miss out. Order today and witness the remarkable difference. Introducing the NZQXJXZ magnifying lamp, the perfect tool for enhancing your vision and conquering small details. With powerful 5x magnification and an adjustable gooseneck, this lamp is the ideal companion for tasks like repairing. Prepare to unlock endless possibilities with the magnifying lamp. Effortlessly read small prints, explore intricate details in crafts, repair electronics, inspect jewelry or coins, and more. This lamp caters to your diverse needs. Experience seamless usability with the lamp. Simply adjust the gooseneck for optimal flexibility and fine-tune the magnification to your preferences. Its lightweight and portable design lets you take it anywhere. So, those are the best magnifying lamps on the market. I hope this video has helped you find the perfect lamp for your needs. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.